Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to use Frame Mask for fast client revisions. Start by opening your existing Photoshop layout and selecting the Frame tool. Click on the frames where your client wants changes and simply drag new images into the frames. Photoshop automatically clips them without affecting the overall design. Adjust the scale or positioning to maintain composition. Optional tip, use smart objects for elements that may require repeated edits, making future updates faster. Keep all frames organized and clearly labeled to save time during revisions. This method allows you to respond quickly to client feedback